Hello kids! Today let's learn kitchen articles. Are you ready? Let's start. Pan.
Pan. P-A-N. Pan.
Knife.
Knife. K-N-I-F-E. Knife.
Ladle.
Ladle. L-A-D-L-E. Ladle.
Kettle.
Kettle. K-E-T-T-L-E. Kettle.
Pot.
Pot. P-O-T. Pot.
Spoon.
Spoon. S-P-O-O-N. Spoon.
Fork.
Fork. F-O-R-K. Fork.
Glass.
Glass. G-L-A-S-S. Glass.
Cup.
Cup. C-U-P. Cup.
Plate.
Plate. P-L-A-T-E. Plate.
Jug.
Jug. J-U-G. Jug.
Excellence.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, please view, comment, like, and subscribe.